Thank you for joining us. I'm Mark Istook here with meteorologist Mario Ruiz. So we have been talking about a number of things people need to be aware of. Flash flooding potential, tornado watches. We are also talking about high winds and hail. And when you talk about some of the folks in East Texas, the Piney Woods, that's, trees getting knocked over, you need to be watching out for. There's a lot going on.
Right. And when we're talking about East Texas, think about the fact that we're going to see several rounds of rain. So saturated ground, heavy rain on top of that really does loosen up trees. So something else to unfortunately have to consider on a day like today. And I do want to get you an update. We have no active warnings, but we do have a tornado watch. What this means is that the conditions are all there, all the ingredients are there for the potential of storms to produce tornadoes. We saw that at the top of the hour with a storm that quickly started showing some rotation and then just as quickly weakened. And that is possible today. That's why it's so important to have a way to get warnings. Our WFAA app is an excellent tool for that. So we do have still that tornado watch. So no active warnings, including Navarro and Henderson County towards the south. This is a look at radar right now. There is one severe thunderstorm that's close to some of our western counties. That's in Archer County. But what I'm watching is this activity to the south where we do have active flash flood warnings. So Navarro County, one of those counties under the flash flood warning until 1:15. This is for heavy rainfall that's been moving over the same area for the last few hours. So a few rain totals in southern Navarro County, close to 4 inches by radar estimation. And that is enough to cause some issues, especially on the roadways. And this does include that stretch of I-45 in Navarro County. I'm going to take you closer here towards the Metroplex, starting to see a little bit of shower activity and even some thunderstorms starting to make their way through portions of Kaufman County between Kaufman and Terrell. Areas of far southeastern Dallas County seeing a little bit of that activity. And again, all of this is very scattered in nature still, and we're going to see this for the next couple of hours. I'm going to show you now a few of the timestamps that I have here. This is Tuesday around noon, and you can see a few more of those storms making their way into DFW. So between noon and about 3, we'll see radar become a bit more active. This is now around 1. Notice this heavy rain still along our south and southeastern counties. That's where we do have the flood watch in place and more activity across the Metroplex. So we'll be watching for radar to become a bit more active between 1 and 3 this afternoon. I just took you here. This is now showing you about 3. After that, we'll start to see a little bit of a break, but we have more rain after that.